Let us we consider the new problem. We want to design a Bell circuit. We have discussed what is Bell state and what is Bell circuit. If I try to recall the Bell, the both input are either 0 0 or maybe 0 1, 1 maybe 1 0, whatever the four combinations. Before doing that, you first use the Hadamard gate to get plus basis. That theory is already discussed. You get the plus basis, that is the 0 plus 1 over bracket of root 2, and then you apply C naught. And if you're going to measure these two states, you get a new state called Bell state. This is nothing else, beta 0. That means obviously beta 0 is the state that is 0 plus 1 1 by root 2. What does mean by that? That you must get, if you read these two qubits, you must get that 0 as a 50% probability, 1 1 as a 50% probability. So your result must be like this: 0 as a 50% probability, 1 1 as a 50%. So if it is a 0 and it will be 1 1. The rest are not present. Right? How we implement those? Now you see that this is the at the Hadamard gate. You apply Hadamard. Then you have a simple C naught. Use a C naught, and next you need to measure, and you can delete the rest of the qubits. Now you see the zeroth qubit and first qubit are the measurement result. Okay, you can rename the circuit as a Bell circuit. Save the change. Now you're going to run. We are running in a simulator actually. If you run in a quantum computer, you can do that, but it will take a moment. In between, I just erase this portion. Result is already completed, you can see. Yes, this is your Bell circuit. You measurement and measurement come at the qubit, classical bit 0 and classical bit 1. So here is the things of experimentally. You know that 1 by root 2 is a 50% probability, but somehow if there is a noise, due to that noise it's not exactly 50%. Someone is a 51.66, someone is a 41. So you're getting that last two bits is as a MSB, LSB, which are 1 1 and which are 0 0. So you're getting that only the 0 0 and 1 1 as a by root 2. Okay. By root 2. So by root 2 is exactly the theoretically it's a 50%. theoretically it's a 50%, but practically it's slight larger. It depends, or it's a slight lesser. And you can see that the summation of these two is always 1 because the probability. If someone is a larger, and then someone must be lesser, some portion, because ultimately is the 0, 0, 1, 1. It is coming because of these 3 extra classical beats are there. So that's why that this type of noise is coming in this. Otherwise, theoretically, this one. If you can change, if you can change uh, the data of an input circuit, you will get different uh, bell state. This is called a beta 00, beta 00 state. Similarly, you know that beta 01, beta 11, beta 10, beta 01. So beta 00, beta 01, beta 10, beta 11. There are 4 possible combinations. So let us see by changing your circuit, the bell circuit, the input. What? So before that, I want to make one input as a x. So that is it become 0, 1. Beta 01 is 00 minus 11. Right? Save the change, run the thing. Your network is slow. A few minutes before. Now you can see I have added a 1x, so it becomes beta 01 as a bell state. If you check the beta 01, then you get a 01 plus 10. And beta 11 is a 001, 00 minus. So it becomes 50% of 01 and 50% of 10. Now if I change to both are 1, then beta 11. If you open the book, the beta 11 is you'll be able to get this is your running program. Once it will be ended, then it will come here. We already run 2 times for the same circuit, so that's the 2 different results are there. Why it's taking so many times? Because before you, there are 5 jobs are assigned. You can, if you notice there, this is the remaining jobs. So your turn will be 6. Then your program will be complete. In the meantime, if the result won't come, let us take the 0, 0 case. 0, 0 case was 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Because the same side, the plus. If I make a 1, 1 both side, then what happens? If I make a 1, then is a minus. 0 minus 1 by root 2. And here is the this is the control and the target is the 1 now. No, 2 minutes ago I have given, but not really. You try to mathematically solve the problem. Instead of if you make it this, so what is the become beta 1 1? Then you can get that result cross check. If you had x here, which I have added, and if we had another x here, that is a not get. So what is the input of that part? That part will be plus minus basis, right? For the time being, I writing just minus. Minus means 0 minus 1 by root 2. And beta 1 1 means C naught of minus tensor product one. Plus means 0 plus 1, root 2 I have taken a common. So 0 tensor product 1, so that is 0 over 1 minus 1 1. Now I have to perform the C naught of 0 1. If control is 0, if control is 0, will the target will pass? What is the result of this? And if control is 1, then target will be flipped. So result will be so first one is a control, second one is a target. So target will be flipped. So that will be represented here. If you don't give the x, if you don't give x, then instead of 0, it will be instead of 1, it will be 0. Then in that case, you will get a 0. You will get 0. So if the control is 0, the target passes. The target will pass 0. If control is 1, target will be flipped. But the target is 0. So 0 will flip. 0 will convert into. So mathematically unicorn. So if you change the circuit into that way, for positive basis to negative basis, and you make Q1 as a 0 remain 0, so then you get the 1 0 basis, and 1 0 basis beta 1 0. Beta 1 0 state is nothing, it is 0 0 minus 1. And in your case, for this circuit, both the x are 0 0, so then you get 0 1 1 0. So the result is completed. Oh my god, result is still pending, because suddenly the jobs are in a queue. I don't know why. There's so many jobs are in the queue. So this is in this way you can practice your basic circuits for your understanding, for your mathematical evaluation, how actually it took place in a real-time quantum computer. Though I am not doing in a real-time quantum computer, I am doing in a simulator, real-time simulator. But you have a chance if you want to execute this. Suppose I remove this. Let us see whether their real-time quantum computers are free or not. Here you can see this is the freely available quantum computers. 16 Melbourne. 16 means there are 16 qubits, and then another one is open Melbourne quantum computer. QX2 is also quantum computer. Vigo is also quantum computer. London is another quantum computer. These all are the
Arlington.
even in Rome. These all are the quantum computers. If you can try.
Indian nahi?
No, still no Indian server is installed. Let's try with the older one. This one. Before you can check. Oh my God. It will take time. All are busy.
স্যার এটা ইনস্টল করতে লাগবে?
No, not at all.
ওয়েবে হয়ে যাবে?
Yes. Web is a better. If you want to install, then you can install. That is available. How to do that? That also I may have another lecture on that. But this is the practice in a cloud-based service. If you go for quantum-computing.ibm.com, if you register yourself, nowadays need not to register. If you have any Gmail account, you can add. You can sign in just using a Gmail account. This is a free service for user. You can test if you have interest. Okay, good. Suppose let's see. Rome have completed the result. So it's the first time I'm showing you the real life quantum computer output. So this is the circuit I have developed, but actually the circuit is converted into it. So that's the translation. Translation is actually optimizing the circuits.
স্যার এটা কি অটোমেটিক হচ্ছে?
Yes, that will be done automatically. That translator is inside the compiler. When a real life quantum computer get it. So that is the error. That is the most error we are getting in a quantum computers. That you know that you should have the 50-50, 0 and 1 but the result is getting some difference in here. That is due to the distortion or noise, or this should not come as a output. So mind it, quantum computer always give the probability result as a probability. So there is always a question of probability, and some portion will be definitely some very less amount of probability is wrong. That is 0 and 1 0 also. Okay, that is the most important and beauty of that part of